So, hi everyone. So, it's my privilege to share the platform with Dr. Abhishek Soni. He has scored rank 17 in PGI June 2020, and his rank was 17 in AIMS 2020 also. So, his performance is consistent with both the exams. He has done tremendously well in both the exams. So, we would like to know his strategies and what has helped him to get such a good rank in both the exams. So, welcome, doctor.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm very, very happy, very excited.
So, first thing first, I really want to congratulate you again on the achievement, and it's tremendous that you have scored a so good rank in both the exams. So, first, I want to ask you that what is the secret behind your consistent performance?
Everybody thinks that there's some sort of, golden rule that you can, that if you find it and you'll get the, ranks and seats and all. But it's nothing. It's just plain hard work.
Right,
You've got to revise everything just as much as you can.
right,
You've got your notes. You've got your tests.
right.
So that was my, you know, my
Okay.
motto.
So,
Just go through the
we'll,
things as much as I can.
right. So we'll start with the PGI first. Now, recently the PGI result is out. So how different the PGI exam was from the AIMS exam if you have to compare both of them?
PGI exam, I found it a little on the easier side compared to the recent AIMS exam. The probable reason was, I could find a lot of questions from my notes.
Mhm.
It was my notes were more inclusive with regard to PGI exam.
Mhm.
In contrast to AIMS, because AIMS there were very a different, very different type of questions,
Mhm.
and the topics were some were new topics. The pattern was entirely different than what we were seeing in from the previous years. But
Mhm.
PGI was good. PGI this time had also had visual type questions,
Okay.
so that was a new feature, and that probably helped in part because we were preparing for AIMS, like visuals
Right.
and everything, and
Right.
that came in PGI, so that
Okay.
was a plus.
Can you mention the subjects in which they asked the visuals this time in PGI?
Uh, it's been some 10 days or so. I don't remember very much, but I think there were some pathology images,
Okay.
uh, some anatomy images, and I don't remember, much. I didn't even review it. I was, very glad that my exams are over. So,
Right. Right. So now you know that PGI has a multiple choice option. So time management is a very big issue for that, right?
yeah.
So what was your mindset when you entered the exam hall that how will you manage your time while attempting the questions?
Uh, it's a tricky thing to do. You've got 3 hours for 1250 options that you have to check and everything.
Hmm.
So I just kept a half-hour window for a half-hour time period. I kept 50 questions for each half hour.
Mm-hmm.
So that total to 250 questions in 2.5 hours. So and I get another half hour to revise and to
Okay.
review my questions.
Right.
So that worked quite well, and I finished about 10 minutes early.
Right. Right. So for both AIMS and PGI exam, so this all went under the COVID situation, and there was so much apprehensive nature of all the people around, and it was difficult for everybody, right? So from the NEET exam up till AIMS and also the PGI, what was your key strategy? What were you focusing on?
I started my preparation late in February
Mhm.
after the NEET results came out.
Mhm.
So I was, a little bit disheartened that my NEET didn't turn out well.
Mhm.
So, but then, these things are such a devil that you've got to accept it because the second exam is gonna come in about 4 months or so. You only have that time period. So, and there were very much distraction all around due to the COVID situation and all. So I learned in the first first week or so that I had to take it one day at a time. Just set a target of things to do for one day and then complete it and just start over next day. That helped keep me focused and
Okay.
everything.
So obviously you were using the online platform for your preparation. So how helpful the AIMS mock exam, AIM championship exam was there for you in the exam?
Yeah, it was pretty inclusive, like the multiple types of questions that come in the AIMS exam, the 7 different types of questions. So as much, my target was to do, as much tests, as much practice
Mm.
that I can go through.
Mm.
So PrepLadder helped me quite well there.
Mm.
I gave around 5 or 6 tests on PrepLadder
Okay.
for AIMS, and that was a monthly thing. So that was
Right,
nice.
right,
The
right.
questions were good.
Hmm. So you just attempted the test during this period, or you were consulting the notes, or you were doing the previous exams?
I did the previous exams also. I watched videos of Dr. Pritesh Singh, Dr. Gobind Rai Garg.
Okay.
They were very fantastic in how they cleared my concepts and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Right.
and in the end, I went through AIMS Rapid Revision also. So that
Okay.
also, helped me revise my notes very fast.
Right, right. So a lot of people who are watching your video, they definitely want to learn that you are a motivation for them and you're exceedingly well in your exams. So what will be the advice you will be giving to your juniors or your colleagues that will help them achieve such a good rank?
As I said in the starting, there's no golden rule to crack. It is, everyone has to personalize how they learn and
Hmm.
how they do it.
Hmm.
But the main thing is just to, keep revising whatever you go through.
Hmm.
As much times as it goes through in front of your eyes, the more you retain it.
Hmm.
So for me personally, revision was the key, you can
Right,
say.
right. So many students, they usually target the central institutes, right? People are very much interested in that. So what particular subjects you feel like that they should be done you should be thorough with those subjects if you are targeting PGI or you are targeting AIMS?
For AIMS, I personally think that you have more chance of scoring in the first and second year subjects,
Right.
because medicine and the final year subjects, medicine and surgery, they are very vast subjects.
Hmm.
Questions can be from anywhere, and uh, how much even you prepare is, the questions can still come out
Hmm.
whatever you prepare. But I think personally that you have a good chance of scoring from the first 6 subjects.
Hmm.
And that will be anat, physio, biochem, microbiome for AIMS.
Right.
And but PGI is a bit different. The question distribution is a bit different. PGI has very few questions from short subjects.
Hmm.
So, and they have a lot of questions from pathology, biochemistry, and medicine.
Hmm.
So the question distribution is a bit different in PGI.
Right. So have you decided which branch are you picking and which institute?
Yeah, I'm currently contemplating it. I
Right.
came back to my college to
Okay.
talk to my faculties and my seniors.
Okay.
So I'm still, contemplating whatever to pick.
Okay. So I wish you all the very best. So for your future endeavors and wish you well. Thank you so much for sharing the valuable advice for all the students and your juniors. And I hope this will definitely help them. Thank you,
Thank you very
Abhishek.
much.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.